Well, hello, everyone. Welcome to this Teaching with Tech episode of the Talking with Tech podcast.
So this is a really fun one for kids. And you can see we're using peer modeling. And we can become monkeys, Chris. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah.
So what happens is it comes up with a video of a student. And so there's this particular boy, but as you play with the app, you'll find there's a bunch of different actors that do some sort of action. In this case, it's an early sound like this animal sounds. And the child actor makes the sound. And then, Rachel, I saw that bar going across the bottom. It's indicating that it's going to ask you as the student watching the video to say it back. And when you do, you get this cool, fun reinforcer where you turn yourself into whatever it is.
Can you see what I am right now? Do you see that I'm a huge monkey? And this is perfect for core words, right? You can say eat the banana. It takes a picture. You can say take it. So I'll take a picture of myself. So of course it uses augmented reality, which is one of Chris's and I. Let's see. So the other one that I really like is, yes, I am enjoying this app. How did you know? Okay, so let's go to Guess the Word. Which is really fun because you can see the ones you've done. It's also a visual, which is really cool. So with some of the kids that I've worked on this with, I've said like, okay, which one do you want to practice? Or we could play a guessing game. We could say, I'm thinking of something that has an orange beak and swims in a pond.